Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Vince, thanks for joining me today. And today we are cooking up a little stir fry. So for today's stir fry, we are going to include some peppers, red onions, mushrooms, broccoli, carrots, and for my protein, I'm going to add some shrimp. You can leave the shrimp out and have a wonderful vegetable stir fry. So most importantly, the cooking process goes quick, and you definitely want to have all of your vegetables and your sauces prepped before you start to cook, so you don't have to stop the cooking process. All right, so let's get started on prepping our vegetables. Okay, let us put our sauce together. So we're gonna start with a cup of water, about a quarter cup of soy sauce, about a tablespoon of garlic, more if you like it garlicky, which I do, tablespoon of ginger, so about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You definitely want to have cold water because we're going to use cornstarch as our thickener, and it definitely works best with cold water. It dissolves quickly, not so much with warm or hot water. This is our sauce, and let us get our wok, your non-stick pan or skillet, whatever you're going to use to cook with, nice and hot. Be sure to use a high heat oil. Olive oil will burn, so vegetable oil, canola oil is probably a much better option for this. If you want to use olive oil, you just have to cook it at a lower temperature. Let's get our stove ready. Alright, there we have it, our vegetable stir fry with some shrimp in it. Yeah, our vegetables are crunchy, sauce is flavorful, our shrimp is nice and moist. Yeah, it's a very, very good dish. Hopefully it's not too complicated. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you next time.